Hi. This is Homes Guide. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of portable power stations. Whether you're an outdoor enthusiast, camper, or just need reliable backup power, finding the best portable power station is crucial. Join us as we explore top picks, features, and tips to keep you powered up on the go. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Number 1. Jacky Explorer 1000 Portable Power Station, a game changer for all your power needs. With its impressive 1002 Wh capacity and three 1000 W AC outlets, this solar generator ensures uninterrupted power supply wherever you go. Whether you're camping in the wilderness or facing an emergency at home, the Jacky Explorer 1000 has got you covered. Its compact design makes it highly portable, while its robust construction guarantees durability. Say goodbye to power outages and hello to peace of mind with the Jacky Explorer 1000. It's time to take control of your power needs, wherever your adventures take you. Number 2. Flashfish 200W Portable Power Station, a game changer for outdoor enthusiasts and emergency preparedness alike. With its robust 40,800 mAh capacity, this solar generator packs a punch, providing reliable power wherever you go. Equipped with a 110 VAC outlet, 2 DC ports, and 3 USB ports, it offers versatility to charge various devices simultaneously, from laptops to smartphones and even CPAP machines during camping trips or emergencies. Its compact design makes it easy to carry, while its durable build ensures longevity in rugged environments. Say goodbye to worrying about power outages or running out of battery on your adventures with the Flashfish 200W Portable Power Station by your side. Number 3. BLTI Portable Power Station EB3A, a game changer in the realm of outdoor energy solutions. With its robust 268Wh LiFePO4 battery, this powerhouse ensures uninterrupted power supply for your camping adventures or emergency backup needs. Boasting two 600W AC outlets, with a surge capacity of 1200W, it effortlessly powers up your essential devices and appliances. What sets it apart? Its blazingly fast recharge capability, from 0 to 80% in just 30 minutes, ensuring you're always ready for action. Plus, its solar compatibility offers sustainable energy options wherever you roam. With the EB3A, convenience, reliability, and eco-friendliness converge into one sleek package, making it an indispensable companion for any outdoor enthusiast or emergency preparedness kit. Number 4. Anker 521 Portable Power Station, the ultimate outdoor companion for powering your adventures. This upgraded powerhouse boasts a robust LiFePO4 battery, offering 256 Wh of reliable energy to keep your devices charged on the go. With 2 AC outlets and a 60W USB-C PD output, it effortlessly handles multiple devices simultaneously. Peak power reaches an impressive 600W, ensuring compatibility with various appliances and gadgets. Whether camping, tailgating, or experiencing an emergency, this solar generator provides peace of mind. And with the option to add a solar panel, you can harness the sun's energy for sustainable power. Say goodbye to worries about running out of battery in the great outdoors with the Anker 521 Portable Power Station. Number 5. Ecoflow Portable Power Station Delta 2, a game changer in the world of backup power solutions. With its massive 1024Wh LiFePO4 (LFP) battery capacity, this powerhouse ensures uninterrupted energy supply for your home, camping adventures, or RV trips. Its fast charging capability guarantees quick replenishment, while the option to pair it with solar panels makes it an eco-friendly choice. The sleek design and compact form factor enhance its portability, allowing you to take reliable power wherever you go. Whether you're braving the great outdoors or preparing for emergencies at home, the Ecoflow Delta 2 is your dependable companion for all power needs. In conclusion, finding the best portable power station can greatly enhance your outdoor adventures or emergency preparedness. With a variety of options available, it's important to consider factors like capacity, portability, and safety features. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to like and share it with others who may benefit from this information.